I am Vinoth, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering. Today we have to discuss the topic of Programmable Logic Controller. It means PLC. PLC is a device which is to control the machines and process in the industries. It's mainly used for industrial automations. PLC is an electronic switching device. It's a specialized computer to control the machines and process. The PLC stands for Programmable Logic Control, which knows some logics are used to develop a program to control the machines and process in the industries is known as a PLC. The PLC can store the input and output instructions in a stored memory. The PLC used to replace the relay logics, which eliminates much of hardwiring. The basic functions of PLC. The PLC can capable of n number of functions and can control the n number of IOS devices in industries. It's mainly on off control, which it can on or off any input and output devices. Next, timing. It can create the time delay in a industrial process. Counting, it's count the event. Arithmetic operations, it can uh, calculate the arithmetic operations. Data handling, comparing and process of analog device. The PLC can capable of process analog and digital data. Benefits of PLC: increase the reliability. If you once written the program and tested, it can be easily downloaded to other PLC. More flexibility. It is easier to create and change the program in a PLC than to wire and rewire a circuit. Lower cost. Comparatively lower cost in industrial applications. It's not suitable for domestic purpose. It's only for an industrial applications. It cost will be lower. Faster response time. It can design a high speed and real-time application. Communication capability. PLC can communicate any other devices in industries. It can communicate the device with transfer the data and IO informations from one device to another device. It can mainly communicate the SCADA and HMI devices for industrial enhancement. Easier to troubleshoot. The PLC can diagnose or troubleshooting a input and output devices if any malfunctions will be occur, and it has a software to test the program and executed in a PLC. Easier to test the field device. Field devices means it's an input and output devices is known as a field device. It is capable to test the field device. The PLC manufacturer and software packages. There are n number of PLC manufacturers are available in our market. Mainly the Allen Bradley, Delta and Siemens, Omron. These are the major manufacturers in our market. Allen Bradley can use the Rockwell automation software, which means RS Logics. Delta means WPL soft. Siemens Semantic Control and Omron's CX1. This is the picture of Allen Bradley. It has a 16 IO PLC. It means 16 input and output can be in the PLC. They have 10 input terminals and 6 output terminals, and it have a communication cable. The number shows, the yellow number shows the input and output terminal status. The power denotes the input power of the PLC, and run status denotes the status of the PLC run mode, and fault is denotes the if any malfunctions, any fault occurs in a IO devices, it is indicated in the fault, and force denotes the when the input energies or output energies, it will indicated in the force module. Thank you. This is the basics of PLC.